Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a step to change your lock screen wallpaper from your phone gallery. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your gallery and have to choose a picture. Here is my picture. If you want to set this picture as your lock screen wallpaper, you just have to press your more option. Now click on set as wallpaper. Here you can see three options: home screen wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper and set as both. If you want to set this picture as your lock screen wallpaper, you just have to choose your lock screen wallpaper. And you can set the picture as you want. Then press on this sign option. That's it. So this is the step to change your lock screen wallpaper from your gallery. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.